Negama lenkosi yami Jesu Kristu. Moses nakathunywa uNkulunkulu kuFaro uyawukhokha ema-Israyeli eGibhithe. Ufika ukhuluma amagama uthi sivumele sekuyawudumisa uNkulunkulu ehlane. Uyala Faro. Umbuto uthi lene Faro. Faro understood ukuthi nabaphuma eGibhithe batawube sebaphumile ngaphansi kwesandla sami. Kanti I need them under sandla sami. Yingakho Faro akazange amxosha Moses yedwa. Wathi as long as Moses useGibhithe kukahle ungaphansi kwesandla sami. I need you under my control. So uSathane namuhla it's just like that. uSathane namuhla akafuni bantu baphume ngaphansi kwesandla sesono. Akafuni bantu baphume completely ngaphansi kwesandla sesono. That is why Moses wawenda clear kwathi nasiphuma la eGibhithe sitawuphuma nebantwana bethu, siphume nebafati bethu, siphume nako konke kwethu. Because akube bete kwethu lokutawusala emuva eGibhithe, akube bete kwethu lokutawusenda sifune kubuyela eGibhithe. Akube bete kwethu lokutawusifuna siphinze futhi sibuyele siyawukhothama ngaphansi kwamandla esono. Kungaba ingcebo, kungaba yini, but akube bete. uSathane akafuni ukuthi bantu baphume completely ngaphansi kwamandla esono. Because uSathane ufuna ukuthi kube khona lengcenye yemuntu letawusala nje khona esonweni. Noma ngaphuma yena but kube khona lengcenye yakhe letawusala encenye kumbe ngumcebo wakhe ungaphansi kwamandla esono. That source of income usetawubuyela emuva uyawukhothama ngaphansi kwamandla esono. Ufuna lokho, akafuni bantu baphume completely ngaphansi kwamandla esono. So it is very much important ukuthi kasilwe ukuthi siphume completely, because it is not an easy thing, but kudzinga ukuthi bantu balwe kuze baphume completely ngaphansi kwamandla esono. Because uSathane uthi as long as you are within Egypt ungathandaza, as long as you are within Egypt ungamkhonda uNkulunkulu, but as long as you are within Egypt